accomplished food and nature/wildlife photographer from Charlotte, North Carolina. I have a blog called JennyWilliamsBlog.com where I share all of my healthy recipes and my inspiring nature and travel photography. Today on my channel, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm collaborating with 5 other vegan YouTubers to bring you healthy summer vegan party recipes. Brittany at Vegan Well Life is making a beet burger. Liz at A Rockin' Vegan is making a triple berry pie. Jenny Q at Team Broccoli is making a plant-based pasta salad. Ashley at Ashley Nicole Rice YouTube channel is making a fruit and veggie summer salad. Kathy at Veg Inspired is making a cucumber and tomato salad with an oil-free dressing. And I'm making a peach, avocado, and basil bruschetta with a balsamic glaze. Start off making the balsamic reduction sauce first. You'll need 1 cup of balsamic vinegar. Pour it in a medium saucepan over high heat and bring to a gentle boil. It should look something like this. Then immediately turn down the heat to simmer and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure you stir it often. When the glaze is done, it should equal about 1/3 cup. Store it in a little mason jar and set it to the side to cool while we make everything else. I'm using some fresh basil from my herb garden for this recipe. Next, we're going to make the base of the bruschetta. You'll need 1 peach and just cut it up into small little cubes and put it in a medium-sized bowl. Next, you'll need 1 avocado and cut it into small little cubes like we did the peaches and add it to the same bowl. Next, add 1/2 cup of fresh basil, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon pure maple syrup, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. And give that a really nice stir until it's all nice and combined, and then set it aside to let it marinate while we toast our bread. For the bread, I'm using a French baguette that I got at Harris Teeter, and I'm just cutting it in 1/2-inch little wedges. Bake in a 425-degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes until nicely toasted. Right before you're ready to eat the bruschetta, add a little drizzle of balsamic glaze on top. Don't do this if it's going to be sitting out for long periods of time because it will get soggy.
All your pain will fade to
you enjoyed this recipe. Definitely check out the rest of the videos in the collaboration series. I will leave links to their videos in the description box below. And as always, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!